Started blogging tutorial be an the Chresenia bear ube create blogger or website and it got to a point I posting other things into mate was a tutorial and so good. Into no yedi can share send ube create blogger website send ube you see premium theme now or they a customize or site and all into make say next video be a no match send ube link domain custom domain website now or they ama custom domain now the ama or blogger website you know instead of say blogspot.com no now abia.com .org .net .info .biz .xyz depending on near or panel. Okay, good. And you know, yeah, the website we say and better domain or link, you know, a video description or asking. Okay, in this case, you know, you here say a better hosting, you here domain pay because Google and a better hosting platform. No, all right. And say when me a link in our video description is about website we so now was search it domain name no, our domain name a dia or the Emma or website, you know, a be a with the coffee, obi the kwame, obi the ya, obi the ya, obi the so, obi the sa. Okay, website be an so a one ding into domain name no into let us say orderd.com. Okay, no I search it. Which me I search and with that .com info orderd.com. A example into one so or website name no. When I winning website need the episode share now about the share say. Seven is I want to say I know I drop your comment section now I'm now with me at share was with me so just Telegram group on him now share am okay. So domain way available at the moment. It is a person metwa oh say extensions no dotcom dna.org .net .biz e bia ne bo so ho nti e bia so go for .com now we me add ne so so go for emu bia ohwa anu mi add ne so nti in my case and let assume say a person will go for the .com nti orderd.com no na me add to cart ne so e wa ha saying we are no wa check out no continue I am memfa we mu bia say o tiki we mu bia na ho wo charge na wo so mu charge o no ebe kosoro okay nti memfa mu bia domain no .com no e 155 Ghana cedis okay. And see, say, fast services we will be there and then continue. And I check out. One number per se, ube create account and see what they with details. Ever shall have me say, open say, what they with Facebook and so creating a simple app. No me sign up with Facebook and say Twitter and so I know me so say. Google so Gmail so I know me so I say now or they are signing up simply. Okay, say open say what typing on manually so now the details no mu here ni na dia share eba zip code na ayafa 00233 pasho 00233. Okay, good. Now what fill details no Odo password shall say no confirm password no ewa ha say payment method no obachire payment method that wo pese o use mobile money credit card when ye auto na mobile money and no one be send amenchire ha say ni kakra say o use auto na o continue with the process na notification aba o phone say o ye transaction bi enti bo o pin no e fa she ho bo pin na sika na deduct akọ website ne so na chese why payment no wo fa mobile money send ne so and no one na over type to send e be send e wan kasa wo send sika e de akoma obi nti on ba ma number no send sika na koso na amama order number okay order number na obe body share reference number honomo na wa send sika no e de akọ ensonso ye da auto no ene send no entem no na nyina no e mobile money all networks obetimi aye transaction no okay and a banking so hona PayPal so obetimi ede aye payment no afei when we bibia no what take say I have read and agree to the terms of service no okay na afei when me a complete order ne so enti yemfa ne say me fa mobile money send no I mean take na me agree to terms no na me continue say eba ne say ya no we me a pay now ne so na we follow sa information ya wodi ama we say you see MTN there no one send this kind of commercial number we say so reference number na me kind any wa me for reference number and First, our reference number na mo de ama wa ha say no. Eno na pasha ho. No wa send sika no. Ena say you see Airtel Tigo and as a Vodafone so a we fast our process we so. Now they are sending sika no. If you say we find any challenge via, which me fresh number we. And I say WhatsApp yo. Now only modi enkomo meboa ama wetime aye no pepepe. Okay, good. Otua sika ni via within some few minutes bi no. One number process bibia na account no aye successful. Inti basa na wobetumi use domain no akwa linke. Afa yenhwe se ne ye be linke domain no e de ama ye blogger website no. E so simple. So hwa menisa website we say edin sa waso bebre. Since 2018 and I started say me to domain e de free website we say. First na domain e work ran ye din. First na 50 cedis. 2018 we to domain we for 50 cedis. 2019 we to for 50 cedis. And I say ne and then I'm 155 no. Actually, I was a baby abo kosro. Me was services be brave. I was our website here, so very good. And until now, me come for the amount. What I say, to bet me so near more year. You man, I was out to domain no. Eddie free host. A hosting crana. Bet me a 30 free. So our website we say so. Maybe anyone be sure send ye ube create WordPress website. Okay, until now, cause I saw before me. Na yet me din komo na usia brebe free me ho. Okay, see link ye domain na the amayan blogger no. Until simple. One more nyeshe bra support has say support or the yanko open ticketing po open ticket miaso na efa domains no ye be open tickets just say ye trollete ana message bibisa na ye dia ma website no ma koye adwuma na dia ma ye okay nti message no title no subject of the message no fasha ho say ye pese website na kasa developers no omo akọ link ye domain ma ye okay nti subject no trese bia link my domain to blogger website and as a blogger hosting and to blogger any okay say all miasa drop down we say domain na wato no ebe appear e wa ha say inti so hwe mu na wafa wo domain no e bia domain we ya na wa select okay o click priority ni so a na wafa high send ebe yom be adwuma ntem dia ma na in the message you know what I say abia kindly link my domain to blogger hosting for me via regards and I say okay below now below is my blogger login details okay and see what the blogger details no below are to kindly link my domain to blogger hosting for me. Below are my blogger login details. Into what the email, we only say email. Now the email national into or blogger email no. Into a be a somebody any road to world at gmail.com. Now or the password number password a be a okay good and slow say we do login details in mom omonya ne hwe we no we me submit why you have with the receive ticket no within some time no reply say omo wie adwuma no obekọ blogger website ho no na o site no o domain name na wotoye no eno na akọ replace .blogspot.com no emo if you subscribe to channel no turn on notification bell no na my video bia na on site me aka na so to me ahwe eti after this one no you be call akọhwe sene you be create WordPress website sene you be design na yetimi ede aye blogging okay you be hwe na nyina so enti ebusia eno ano no aya me yen share e wo videos na ede ene mo ba ko